And this question it is given that a body cools from temperature 3T to 2T in 10 minutes. The room temperature is T. Assume that Newton's law of cooling is applicable. The temperature of body at the next 10 minutes will be. So here it is given that in the initial situation the temperature of object was 3T and its temperature is changed to 2T in a time which is given as nothing but 10 minutes. The room temperature is nothing but T, so the temperature of surrounding we can take it as nothing but T. Now in the next 10 seconds, assume that its temperature is changed from 2T to T dash. So RM is to find out the value of T dash. So time we can take it as nothing but 10 minutes. Now we can apply Newton's law for these two situations. So according to Newton's law of cooling, we can write dt divided by dt is equal to constant into temperature of object minus temperature of surrounding. So you can write the value of dt in the first situation is temperature is changing from 3T to 2T. So change in temperature is T divided by time taken for that is given as 10 minutes is equal to constant into temperature of object. So we are going for average form of Newton's law. So we can write this as 3T plus 2T, which is 5T divided by 2, or you can take it as average value is 2.5T. So instead of temperature of object, we'll write 2.5T minus temperature of surrounding, which is given as nothing but T. Now same thing we can write for the second term. So that is temperature, initial temperature was 2T, now it's changed to T dash. So change in temperature we can take it as 2T minus T dash divided by time taken is given as nothing but 10 minutes is equal to a constant C into, we can write the average value over here. Average value is nothing but 2T plus T dash divided by 2 minus T. Now we'll divide these two equations. So if you are dividing these two equations, so the term related to C is going to get cancelled. 10 and 10 is going to get cancelled. So we'll get the answer as nothing but T divided by 2T minus T dash will be equal to the C and C get cancelled. We can write 2.5T minus T, which is equal to 1.5T divided by, now if you are dividing this 2T by 2, so we'll get the answer as nothing but T plus this term, that is T dash divided by 2, which we can take it as something but T dash divided by 2 minus T. So we can observe that this T and this minus T get cancelled, and if you want you can cancel this T and this T as well. So if you are writing the equation, this equation will be in the form of 1 divided by 2T minus T dash is equal to 1.5 divided by T dash divided by 2. Now if you are cross multiplying these two equations, so we can write this is T dash divided by 2 is equal to nothing but 1.5 times of 2T minus T dash. So you can write this T dash by 2 is equal to 1.5 into 2 is nothing but 3. So it is 3T minus 1.5 T dash. So you can write T dash by 2, it can be written as 0.5 T dash is equal to nothing but 3T minus 1.5 T dash. When this 1.5 T dash is coming to left side, it's going to be positive value. So 1.5 plus 0.5 we can take it as 2 T dash is equal to nothing but 3T. So the value of T dash can be written as nothing but 3T divided by 2.